Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with my September block of the month. And I can't believe this is the 9th block that I'm releasing. If you are new here, I release a free PDF pattern each month for a block in 3 different sizes: 6-inch finished, 12-inch finished, and 18-inch finished. I've got my 6-inch and my 12-inch finished blocks here, and I'm going to show you just a few details about them now. Okay, so this month's block has just a little bit of everything. We've got squares, rectangles, flying geese, and half square triangles. And I did a couple of different things with my block. For my 6-inch block, I pretty much just followed the placement of everything on the pattern. But for my 12-inch block, you'll notice the pattern shows the center square and the 4 outer corners and the background on these flying geese being from one fabric. And I did that with the 6-inch block. But with the 12-inch block, I lightened it up and put a lighter print in the center. All of the fabrics I used for both of these blocks are from my Happy Days collection. I've just been having fun playing with different combinations. Oh, actually, this print in here is from Balboa. So I did use the block lock ruler for the flying geese in both of these sizes. More essential that you use it for the smaller block, I feel like. And I did use triangle paper for the half square triangles here. It was super simple to get charm squares and use the triangle paper size for those charm squares for that. And for these half square triangles, I did not use the triangle paper. I just did the normal method and trimmed them down. But these are both some really fun blocks. I'll show you something different though. I press them differently on the back because with the smaller block, there's just so much more bulk with all of the pieces coming together that I did press these seams open between the rows. But on the larger block, I didn't feel like there was really a reason to do that. You didn't really need to do that. And you'll notice also my half square triangles are pressed differently. Since I didn't use the paper with these, I pressed them open, but since I did use the paper, these half square triangle seams were pressed to the dark. And that might have also, figured into why I ended up pressing those seams open. But just a really fun block. I am hoping that next month, for October, that I'll actually share 2 different blocks with you so that we can get ahead and do the finishing instructions in December. But so if I don't do it in October, I'll do it in November. So one of those months we'll have 2 blocks release, so that in December, instead of giving you another block to make, I can talk about putting it all together. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video about the September Quilting Life block of the month. I will link the information that you need in the description below. I'll put a link to my blog where you can get the free PDF pattern, and I'll also link the extra items that I mentioned that will make these blocks a little bit easier to make. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.